Hello, it's time to read a book. Sid the Science Kid presents The Trouble with Germs by Jennifer Franz. This is AR Level 2.1. Sid, said Dad, breakfast is... achoo! Bless you, Dad, said Sid. Phew, said Zeke. My dad is sick, said Sid. He and my mom say that I have to wash my hands if I don't want to catch Dad's cold. I want to know, said Sid. Why do I have to keep washing my hands? Sid was super hungry. Wash your hands first, said Mom. Why? Said Sid. You don't want to catch my cold germs, said Dad. I don't see any germs, said Sid. You're right, said Mom. Germs are too small for us to see with our eyes. Look, said Mom. These germs look bigger. They are under a very, very, very strong microscope. Cool, said Sid. That one looks like a robot. At school, Sid met up with his friends. Do you know what germs are? Said Sid. Itty bitty things that make you sick, said May. Germs get on stuff and give you a cold and stuff, said Gerald. Germs make me sneeze. Germs can make you sneeze, said Gabriella. You guys know a lot about germs, said Sid. Rug time, said Teacher Susie. Sid and his friends sat on the rug. Let's talk about germs, said Teacher Susie. We can't see germs, said Teacher Susie, but we can still pass them around. Pretend that Gerald is sick. Ah, said Teacher Susie. He sneezes on his hands. Ah, achoo! And gets germs on them. Then Gerald passes germs to Sid, and Sid passes them to May, said Teacher Susie. It's like a big chain of germs, said Sid. Always sneeze into a tissue, said Teacher Susie. This helps stop germs from spreading around, or you can sneeze into your arm like this. Achoo! Teacher Susie pretended to sneeze. She covered her mouth with her sleeve. We call that elbow coughing, don't we, boys and girls? Let's go to the Superfab lab, said Teacher Susie. Time to learn why washing your hands is so important. Pretend the dirt is germs, said Teacher Susie. Dip your hands in it. Cool, said Sid. I love dirt. Now try wiping your hands off, said Teacher Susie. They're still dirty, said May. We need soap and water, said Gabriella. Right, said Teacher Susie. It's the same with germs. You need to wash up to get them off. When Sid got home, he was super hungry. Sid, said Mom, it's snack time. Achoo! Thanks, said Sid, but I think I'll wash my hands first. Laughternoon, a good time for some germ jokes. What's the worst thing about being an octopus? Washing your hands before dinner. What do you get when you take a germ and another germ and another germ and another germ? Cold! Achoo! Knock, knock. Who's there? Atch! Achoo! Bless you. Goodbye. See you later. Bye. Look, click finish book or start the quiz to see what you remember. Bye-bye.